Take a bus. Take a subway. Take a plane. Take an exam. Take a driver's test. Take a picture. Take a nap. Take a rest. Take a day off. Take a deep breath. Take a trip. Take a bath. Take a sip. Take a bite. Take vitamins. Take a class. Take a call. Take a left at the corner. Take the offer. Take the job. Take care of yourself. Let me take a look. We only take cash. We take turns playing games. Can you take a message for me? Can I take your coat? Can you take my luggage? I always take my phone with me. Don't forget to take an umbrella. It's okay. Take your time. I'll take my girlfriend to dinner. I'll take her to school. I'll take you home. Don't take it seriously. Don't take it personally. I can't take it anymore. I will take the red one. I will take this one. I will take all of them. I am taking the elevator. I will take this way. I will take the stairs. How long does it take by bus? It takes 30 minutes to complete. It usually takes 5 hours. It doesn't take very long. Don't take so long. What took you so long?